Alright you guys, we're just gonna jump right into it. The wheels are on and they look absolutely incredible. I am absolutely speechless. It's been 2 years in the making. I had to get coilovers before I could get this to fit on the front end, and obviously now we're dealing with a little bit of fender rubbing, both in the front and the back, as you could imagine. The guy at the shop finished my alignment and let me know that there was a single negative degree of camber in the back right wheel that he couldn't seem to get out. So I think that the busted wheel bearing is the explanation. For the time being, I think I'm just going to be removing the rear bumper, give it that project car look, give me some time to patch this. Right now I have the taillight popped out to get to these connectors that are usually completely covered. The only other ones I found were on the bottom. There's supposed to be a bunch in here somewhere, but I'm not seeing anything yet, so we'll get there when we get there. Bumper's coming off. I had to peel the weather stripping off of this seam, and it exposed down in there. There is one here. This one had actually fallen out on its own somehow. I got this one and this one out already, so we're almost there. I was just watching a few YouTube videos trying to decide how I wanted to tackle this, because it doesn't seem like fun to undo the entire emergency brake and pull out the cable to take it inside. But it seems like it's going to be the best bet. I don't have the correct tools for pressing the bearing into the spindle on the car, so I'm gonna have to end up removing this whole thing no matter what. But before that, I noticed that the rust has gotten exceptionally bad up here. This hole was probably dime sized at the beginning of the winter. It's just, it's not looking good. It's really, really bad. This is a large hole. This is the foam from the interior. Walk up here and the whole strut top will be blown through, because this is still solid as a rock. There's multiple plates of steel where this bolts in, but the rust creeps around the whole strut tower and then it just dislodges. And then obviously your car is ruined. So I'm at the point where I think I have to call it, and this car is gonna have to sit for a while, which really sucks because I literally just put the wheels on and I've not even gone anywhere with them. New wheels go on, whole car breaks. That's the way it goes, right? She's gonna be parked for a while. This is kind of a turning point. I think that this is going to go from being my daily driver to my full project car at this point, which means now I have 2 full project cars. I need to finish this Fiero this summer for sure, so I'm not trying to put this thing on the back burner, but it might end up on the back burner. Point being, I need to go deeper. I need to strip this thing down. I need to put it back together correctly if I want to keep driving it. So guess I will be driving the convertible for the time being. So I've started removing the interior of the trunk, and so far there's evidence of a mouse once living or taking a brief stay here. Probably crawled in through there. This is the air pressure vent that got bashed in, so it was allowing both water and dirt to just make its way into the vehicle. So some of the top cards from this side were warped, and the Rust dust doesn't seem too bad down over here, but on the driver's side it is terrible. There's literally just so much. The cushion of the rear seat is out so I could remove the plastic door sill, and there is an actual sandbar in here. So much sand. So much sand. I don't understand. Just rust and sand. Oh boy. We got a long way to go.